In this video we look at adding borders to cells in Excel. Adding borders to cells serves several purposes, and it can enhance the readability and presentation of your spreadsheet. You may create borders for data organization, emphasis and highlighting, or table creation. The border options appear under the Home tab in the Font section of the ribbon. In the drop-down you will find options to add a bottom, top, left, or right border. You can remove all borders, add borders to all cells, add only outside borders or a thick outside border. Then you have some border options such as bottom double border and top and bottom borders for table design. In this last section, instead of using the predetermined options you can stylize your border. You can explore more borders for the ability to add diagonal borders and use border alignment tools. Let us take another look at the table. Here I would like to use the No Borders option to start fresh. I am adding all borders to the whole table. For the data at the bottom, I am adding the border with top and double bottom to differentiate the total from the rest of the data. Next, I want a thick box border to highlight the numeric data. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to check out more Excel tutorials on my channel or find the link to my TurboFuture profile where you can view my articles or contact me.